how to change your region in Battle.net. Open up the website and sign into your account. Next, click on support in the top right corner. Once you have selected support, here where it says search support articles, you want to type change country. Now we will click on Battle.net account country region change and press enter. Once we have done this, we will select the first article right here, Battle.net account or region change, and now we want to scroll down and select the hyperlink country change self-service. Click on it and it's going to take us to a new page, and right here we will do the following. Click on continue. Once we click on continue, it should take us to a new page here. Again, make sure we are signed into our account. It's going to process our request. So now it is going to ask us for identity verification. Once you have provided your information, then it's going to look like this: country or region change. You will need to provide proof of residency. If you need any help, you can go through the information there. You will explain that you have moved to a new country, and here you can provide extra proof as well. Next, you will need to submit it, and once the support reviews your ticket, then they will either approve or deny your country change request. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.